Hello everyone, myself Ashish Acharya from Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic real numbers. Keep watching the video till the end. A branch of mathematics concerned with properties of the positive integers 1, 3, dot dot. Sometimes is called higher arithmetics. It is among the oldest and most natural of mathematical pursuits. Number theory has always fascinated amateurs as well as professional mathematicians. It concerned to other branches of mathematics. Many of the problems and theorems of number theory can be understood by lay persons, although solution to the problems and proofs of the theorems often requires a sophisticated mathematical background. Until the mid of 20th century, number theory was considered the purest branch of mathematics, with no direct application to the real world. The advent of digital computer and digital communication revealed that number theory could provide unexpected answer to real world problems. At the same time, improvement in the computer technology enabled the number theories to make remarkable advance in factoring large numbers, determining primes, testing conjectures, and solving problems once considered out of reach. Real numbers are simply the combination of rational and irrational numbers in the number system. In general, all the arithmetic operation can be performed on this number, and they can be presented in the number line. At the same time, the imaginary numbers are the unreal numbers, which cannot be expressed in the number line and is commonly used to represent a complex number. The real number system has many subsets: natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Natural numbers are a part of the number system which includes all the positive integers from 1 till infinity and are also used for counting purpose. It does not include 0. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dot dot are called counting numbers. Natural numbers are part of real numbers that includes only the positive integers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dot dot, excluding zero factors, decimal and negative integer. The set of natural numbers are presented by the letter capital N. The whole numbers are the part of the number system in which it includes all the positive integers from 0 to infinity. This number exists in the number line, hence they are real numbers. We can say all the whole numbers are real numbers, but not all the real numbers are whole numbers. It is presented by the symbol capital W, and the set of the numbers are second bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dot dot. These numbers are positive integers including 0 and not include fractional or decimal part. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operators are possible on whole numbers. The word integer originates from the Latin word which mean whole. In mathematics, integers are the numbers which can be positive, negative or 0, but cannot be a fraction. These numbers are used to perform various arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and addition. The example of integers are -3, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3 dot dot. It is denoted by capital Z. In mathematics, rational numbers are represented A by B, where B is not equal to 0. It is also a type of real numbers. Any fraction with non-zero denominators is a rational number. Hence, we can say that 0 is also a rational number, as we can represent it in many forms, such as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, etc. But 1 by 0, 2 by 0, 3 by 0, etc. are not rational numbers, since they give us infinite values. Rational number also be expressed as using terminating decimal or repeating decimal. And another example of rational numbers is 2 by 3, 6 by 7, 4 by 5, etc. In this slide, we discuss the part of rational numbers: terminating decimal, repeating decimal, and non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimals are decimals that contain finite number of digits. As examples, 36.8, 0.125, and 4.5, etc. Repeating decimals are decimals that contain a infinite number of digits. As examples of 0.333 dot dot, 7.689689 dot dot. Not terminating decimals. While expressing a fraction into a decimal by the division method, if the division process continues infinitely and zero remainder is never obtained, then such a decimal is called non-terminating decimal. Otherwise, a non-terminating decimal is a decimal never repeats. For example, 0.76923 dot dot or 0.05882352 dot dot. Irrational numbers are the real numbers that cannot be represented as a simple fraction. It cannot be expressed in the form of a ratio such as a by b, where b is not equal to 0. It is a contradiction of rational numbers. They are expressed as non-terminating, non-repeating decimals that go on forever. We consider as example of rational numbers like that 0.3433434333 dot dot. Or we take another suitable example is pi is a rational number. Fundamental theorems of arithmetic. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. This representation is called prime fractions of the number. This fractions is unique, apart from the order in which the prime factors occurs. Now we take a suitable examples of this theorem. Suppose first we take 1092 is divided by 2 is a primes and you get 546. 546 you divided 3, you get 182, and 182 is divided 2 is get 91, and 91 if you break you get another primes 7 and 13. So these circles 2, 3, 2, 7 and 13 are all prime numbers. Thank you for watching the video.